Have you ever wondered what a magnetic field is? Hey everyone, it's Princess Physics, and today we're going to learn a little bit more about magnetic fields. First of all, we need to talk about fields in general, and what do I mean by field in this case? When you hear the word field, you might think of a big open area with grass or flowers, or maybe somewhere where you go to play baseball or football. Now, as cool as those fields are, a field in scientific terms is a little different. A field just means an area of space where the force of one object can act on other objects. For example, how we're inside the Earth's gravitational field, so we're constantly pulled down by the force of gravity. A magnetic field is what's surrounding a magnet that allows it to attract or repel other magnetic objects nearby. The trick with magnetic fields is it's kind of hard to figure out how big they are and what they look like. I borrowed this amazing experiment from the physics department at the University of Guelph to help us visualize what magnetic field lines look like. So this is a really strong magnet here, and in this little pepper shaker are iron filings. The iron filings will align themselves to the magnet's magnetic field, so it's easier for us to see. You can see here when we dump them on top that they follow arcs around, going from one end to the other. It's a little bit hard to see here because the iron filings always overlap with each other, but in practice we know that the magnetic field lines will never overlap with each other. These are the poles of the magnet. Now, magnets have a north and a south pole. The magnetic field lines will always travel from the north pole to the south pole. On the top and bottom of the magnets, you can see that they're not arcing anymore, they're just kind of straight lines moving towards the south pole and away from the north pole. It's because there's no other pole nearby that the magnetic field lines could travel to. So they simply travel towards or away from the magnet. So we know magnetic fields come from magnets, but where else do they come from? A scientist by the name of Michael Faraday discovered that a current going around a closed loop of wire can actually induce a magnetic field in the surrounding area. This discovery was really fascinating because it actually goes both ways. A moving current can induce a magnetic field in the surrounding area, and a changing magnetic field can actually induce a current in any surrounding circuits. Now we know a little bit more about where magnetic fields come from and how they work. Thanks for watching, everyone, and remember, never stop learning.